Echo Bearcat Outdoor Power Equipment features a full line of heavy-duty chippers that handle branches and logs from 4 inches to 9 inches in diameter. There are 8 different models of road towable gas and diesel engine-powered chippers to choose from. Made from heavy-duty steel construction, Echo Bearcat chippers feature both gravity feed and hydraulic feed intake designs. All Echo Bearcat chippers feature machine-balanced rotors with reversible, heat-treated steel blades for extended chipping time and long blade life. Echo Bearcat chippers features include heavy-duty rotor design, easy access disc cover, torsion axles, fold-up feed tray, material feed control bar, reversible heat-treated blades, highway towable to reach any work site, belt-driven power, models with a cantilever disc design, 360-degree discharge tube, and heavy-duty Echo Bearcat construction. Models include the 4-inch CH4400, 5-inch CH5653, 6-inch Kubota diesel-powered CH611DH, 6-inch Kohler-powered CH6730H, 8-inch turntable model CH8993, the fuel-injected turntable CH8720IH, and the 9-inch capacity diesel-powered CH911DH and CH922DH models. Echo Bearcat chippers have a variety of options and accessories available to perfectly match your machine to the job you need it to perform. So whether it's a low-profile discharge that you need, or to simply add a tachometer or hour meter to monitor your machine's usage, Echo Bearcat leads the way in chipper innovation and design. For more information on these and other fine Echo Bearcat products, go to www.bearcatproducts.com.